There's something truly satisfying about growing your own food, the connection to the earth, the anticipation of the harvest, and the flavor of a meal made with ingredients you've nurtured yourself. Few gardening experiences are as rewarding as growing potatoes. These versatile vegetables are surprisingly easy to cultivate, even for beginners. And nothing compares to the taste of a freshly dug potato, still warm from the sun. Potatoes are a staple in kitchens around the world, and for good reason. They're incredibly versatile, lending themselves to countless culinary creations. From creamy mashed potatoes to crispy fries, hearty stews to refreshing salads, the possibilities are endless. But beyond their culinary appeal, potatoes offer a range of health benefits. They're an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Growing your own potatoes allows you to control the growing conditions and ensure that you're consuming the freshest, healthiest produce possible. No pesticides, no herbicides, just pure natural goodness straight from your garden. Imagine the satisfaction of serving a meal made entirely from ingredients you've grown yourself. The flavor is simply unbeatable. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny balcony, there's a potato growing method for you. So let's roll up our sleeves, dig into the soil, and embark on this rewarding gardening adventure together. One of the joys of growing potatoes is the incredible diversity of varieties available. From starchy to waxy, early to late harvest, there's a potato for every taste and purpose. Early potatoes like Yukon Gold and Red Norland mature quickly and are perfect for salads and roasting. Their thin skins make them easy to prepare. Mid-season varieties such as Kennebec and Purple Majesty offer a balance of flavor and texture, suitable for a wider range of dishes. Late-season potatoes, including Russet Burbank and Cartadine, are ideal for storage and are prized for their fluffy texture, making them perfect for mashing and baking. When selecting your potato varieties, consider your local climate, soil type, and intended use. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types to discover your favorites. Local nurseries and seed catalogs are great resources for finding varieties that thrive in your area. Each potato variety boasts its own unique flavor profile and culinary uses. Some, like the Yukon Gold, have a naturally buttery taste, while others, such as the Purple Peruvian, offer a slightly nutty flavor. The fun lies in exploring these diverse flavors and incorporating them into your favorite recipes. Remember, the best potato for you is the one you enjoy eating the most. So be adventurous, try something new, and let your taste buds guide you. You might just discover a new family favorite. Potatoes thrive in loose, well-drained soil that's rich in organic matter. Before you even think about planting, it's essential to prepare your potato patch properly. This crucial step sets the stage for healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. Begin by choosing a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Potatoes are heavy feeders, meaning they require ample nutrients to produce those delicious tubers. Amending your soil with compost, aged manure, or other organic matter is key to providing the necessary nourishment. These amendments improve soil structure, enhance drainage, and provide a slow and steady release of essential nutrients throughout the growing season. Work the organic matter into the soil to a depth of at least 12 inches using a garden fork or tiller. This loosens the soil, allowing for proper root development and preventing waterlogging, which can lead to rot. Potatoes prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. You can test your soil's pH using a simple home test kit available at most garden centers. If necessary, amend the soil with lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower it. Once your soil is prepped, it's time to consider the layout of your potato patch. Potatoes grow best in raised rows or hills, which provide good drainage and allow for easy hilling, a technique we'll discuss later. Now that your soil is prepped and ready, it's time to talk about planting. But before we put those potatoes in the ground, let's discuss chitting. Chitting is a simple but effective technique that encourages faster and more vigorous growth. It involves exposing seed potatoes to light for a few weeks before planting, which stimulates the growth of sprouts or chits. To chit your potatoes, place them in a single layer in a bright, cool location, out of direct sunlight. A windowsill that doesn't get too much direct sun or a cool, dry garage works well. In a few weeks, you'll notice short, sturdy sprouts emerging from the potatoes' eyes. These chits are a sign that your potatoes are ready for planting. When the danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed to about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to plant. Plant your chitted potatoes about 12 inches apart in rows, spaced 2 to 3 feet apart. If you're planting in hills, create mounds about 8 inches high and space them 2 to 3 feet apart, placing 1 or 2 seed potatoes in each hill. Gently bury the seed potatoes about 4 inches deep, ensuring that the chits are pointing upwards. Water the area well and be sure to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged throughout the growing season. As the potato plants grow, you'll need to hill them, which involves mounding soil around the base of the plants.